Guys, my name is AK Akui. Welcome to Akoville Digital Services, and in this presentation, this tutorial, we are going to be taking you through video lessons on how you can make your own videos for, say, online presentation, or to sell your product, or to teach children, say, in terms of using it in form of projector so that people will get to see practicals on what you are about to teach them, on what you teach them. So we are going to be using two applications. Of course, as many of you are already used to this image downloader application. Image downloader is an application that you can use to get quality pictures from the internet, and basically for the main video, we are going to be needing this application, the boosted. This is how it looks like. So if you don't have any of this application, all you need to do is to go to Google Chrome, then type the name, and they have it pop up for you to download. So first and foremost, I'm going to take you through the boosted application that you're going to use for making your animated videos. Now here we are having the platform that is for the video making, right? So you can see all this you are seeing here are templates, different templates that you can use to create your own videos. Are we together? So if you look carefully, you are going to see something. For example, you see this sign. It means that if you need that particular template, you have to pay for it, or you even click on here. Once you pay for the application, so you can be free to use any of the template just because you have paid. But in case you don't have money to pay, like me, so you can make use of free types like this. You usually see it without this sign, right? So anyone you are seeing, for example, this one, I'm going to click on it now, and it's going to play for you to see. It's actually free. So not something, assuming I'm interested in that, all I have to do is to click on the select below it, and then I have it, then I can edit it and work on it. Are we together? So let me take you up here. There's something interesting you need to know. But before the up, okay, let me start from the up. You see, we have our favorite. That's where all these are from, the favorite, right? So we have the ones that are related to COVID-19. I'm going to be clicking on them so that you see some, these are related to COVID-19. These are free. All these ones here are free. And we have education related. We have seasonal. These are education related ones. I think let me play one here so that you can see. For mathematics teachers, math tutorial. So what it means is that if you are interested in any of these templates, you can look through. There's one for beauty, real estate, food, and all that, you see. So whatever you are interested in is what you pick. Now that is enough. Let's come below here as well. You are going to see these are the template. That's where we are, and also followed by it is the project. These are the ones you have worked on, right? So this is where you have it saved. Now let me go back to template, and I will assume for many of us that are teachers, I would have loved to pick one sample for you to see. But I want to do more of business, right? So of course, as a teacher, you can also do business. So let me just go to the aspect of business. So I'm going to go to under beauty, assuming I'm selling, or I have a hair salon. This is beauty, right? So, and I want to create a beautiful video for my salon business, right? So I need to pick a kind of video that perhaps after making I can share through my Facebook ad. Maybe I need customers, all that. So you can see some you have to pay and some are free, just like I told you earlier. This, if you need, you have to pay. This, if you need. But I can see one that is free here, right? So let me assume that that's what I'm using. We have one that is even more related to making hair. Is it for hair treatment or something? But then, okay, let me just pick one. You can just check through. Please pick whatever that you're interested in. Let me assume this. Okay, I have to remove the speaker so that I will explain something very important here. If you look carefully, you are going to see these are the format. If you keep, let me touch them so that you see how it works. I'm touching this, you see it will give you that particular format. This is a phone format, so whatever you are interested in, that's what you pick. I think I usually love this 16 ratio 9. So once you need it, you just pick, you select, click on select. Are we together? So you wait for it. Don't forget, you need access to network. So you can see this is the this is how it looks. Now don't forget, this is a template and it come pre-designed like this, and you can change everything if you are not even interested in using whatever that they have pre-designed for you. But one important thing is that this pre-design give you an idea about how you should put your own. Is that okay? And even with this, you can make a better one. So assuming I don't want to make use of these ones that I'm seeing, these pictures and the write-ups, I want to change everything to my format. Are we together? So what I need to do, this is where you need your image downloader application. Are we together? So actually my last search was Nigeria beauty salon. So let me just click on it. You search for pictures. There's a whole lot of ways you can get your pictures online, assuming you even have your own pictures that you are using in the business already, so you don't need to search for somebody's picture. But if you don't have, feel free to use the internet, it's always there for you. So assuming I want to pick this particular picture, right, I have it downloaded. Then let me look through. I think this one, I think I like it. Then I have it downloaded. You can have as many as you want, right? I think I also love this. Beautiful. I'm not into hair, and I'm not into just a sample for the purpose of this presentation. So assuming that 3 is fine, right? So let me go back to the boosted application. So what you now do, it means you want to replace these pictures here with the ones you have downloaded. So you just click on media. We have media here, right? You have media. Then we have, excuse me, we have a whole lot of things you can change here. I'm trying to. So if you look carefully, you are going to see this is if you want to add a new text. This is colors. If you want to change the colors of your writing or even the background. This is music. You can as well change the music, the sound that it came with, right? When I played earlier, you had some sound that I have to lower the volume. So if you want to change it, you can click on it and get the sound from your phone. Guys, you can add any sound, this and a whole lot of things that you can do. So but then let's continue. So I want to change this picture. I will just go to my media, right? Let me pick the first picture here. But then if you note something, come down here first, right? Let me bring you down here. If you look, you are going to see all the pictures that were already there, right? So let me assume that you can remove, right? You can remove. Then let me assume I pick this first one, right? Then I pick this second one. Then I pick this third one. You can see I have 4 pictures now. So but one thing with this application again is that you can't pick more than 4 pictures per video. Are we together? So, and if you want to rearrange the pictures you have here, don't forget it's not only pictures, you can use videos here as well, right? It's very interesting. You can, assuming you have some videos that you want to match together to put some design and write up for your student, you can as well do that. So but let's assume we are working only on pictures now. So you want to rearrange these pictures down here, you can just click on this. Let's assume I want this Chinese, the first picture here to go to the last. I click on it, hold, and then I drag. You can see how it's working. So I come to the last and then I drop it. You can see how I've rearranged it. So I can now click on done, assuming I'm done arranging and picking the 4 pictures that I need. Let me try to add more and you see what they will say. Let me try to just add one more thing, right? Okay, you can see, look at the using more than 4 pictures is a premium feature, which means you need to pay before you can use more than 4. So since I'm not paying, let me use for here first. Then you click on done above here, done. Then it's going to take you into the now these are the pictures you have picked, and this is the way they are arranged. So you can take your time to give it the best shot. But you see these write-ups, I don't mean you want to edit them as well. Just click on it. I've clicked on it now. Then let me say I want to edit. You come down here, click on edit. Then maybe I'm changing everything there to Acroville Digital Services. Maybe let me say Air Saloon. I think it's fine. Then I click on done. You can see that's what you are seeing now. You can even adjust it to where you want it to be. Then maybe you are done with that, you go to the next. Then they have another thing here you can edit. Jenny's made me feel like a princess. Then I will click on edit. I will say Acroville made Acrovilles. Okay, let me put, don't mind me, I'm just trying to copy. So I will say made me feel like a princess. This is what I told you earlier. So this gives you idea on how easy you can do this. So maybe I will just delete this name. Anything you are not interested, please just remove it and move on. So let me just bring this down a little bit so that it will, right? I think it's better like that. So then I go to the next one. Then perhaps I will say here, wow, just something to go with, right? Just exclamation mark, Then you see, then I have the last one here. Maybe I will say, I'll just write out the name of the company, Acroville Air Saloon, right? Just leave it like that. And then I have my number here, call. Then right, I'll say call. Then perhaps I will put +234, right? Then I put dash 8065615645, right? You can actually call this number if you need my services. Okay, done. Then you can see you can actually click on this and expand if you wish, right? You can change the color. Just come down here, you see some features there, right? A whole lot of things you can do. This is the font size, you can change it. This is the size of the text, you can change it, alignment and all that, right? I didn't see color here anyway, but then I think there's a way you can even put logo, right? Let me go back again. If you look here, oh, what have I done? Can I have the project there? I've not saved. Have I saved that? Okay, I have it here. Sorry, so now you can, this is a logo here, right? Are we following? This is a logo, so you can click on that, click there. Then you can, let me just put anything to go with, just a sample, so that you can put your company logo there, should be in case you have one. Let me just put this thing, right? So you can see, assuming this is my company logo, I have it placed there. So you can replace if you wish, and all this you have here. So assuming I'm done now, let me put the volume such a way that I can play. You can replace it with the sound if you don't want the sound that it came with, right? So let me preview. With this preview, you'll be able to see it play from beginning to the end. Then the next thing will now be how to save, right? Assuming you are done with your beautiful work, so you need to save. So you see the share button below here, that is where you click on if you want to save your work. Are we together? That is, you are saving to your gallery. I've clicked on that now. If you want to share directly on Facebook, Instagram, then you have other options, maybe on WhatsApp or something. So but our aim here is to save to our gallery. So I click on that. You wait for it to export, right? It's going to export, it's going to be downloaded directly into your gallery, such that anytime you need it to share with your learners or your business partners, wherever you want to share it, you can access it from your memory card actually. So don't forget, what we do is to try to assist you build your capacity in terms of the use of media and of course digitally, so that you'll be skilled. Now don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and such that you have notifications for each time we have our new videos downloaded. Then I want to show you the video right here. Then this is the video. Thank you for listening.